Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to talk about the TF, Polygon or Matic. But before we do that guys, let me remind you we still have the ongoing giveaway of $500 worth of Bitcoin. The only thing you have to do to join this giveaway is to subscribe to the channel, like the content and comment your Bitcoin address. Last time we found a winner and it might be your turn next time. Let's jump straight into the TF, Matic or Polygon guys. Last time we did a TA, we made this rising wedge, right? Where we saw that it was going up and hitting the support and resistance, right? And we kind of mentioned that it will most likely do a breakout to the downside, which it did. So if we zoom out again, guys. So if we zoom out, we can see that Matic actually did a breakout, hit the resistance right there, did a breakout, retested the old support, which now became a resistance, and just rejected and went down to our yellow line, which was the support area. Held it almost and went back, retested it and just went back right there. So if you guys see, we still have a lot of resistance right there. We need to go above this area. And if we will look at the chart and trying to follow some kind of bullish pattern, we are seeing a falling wedge. Let me see. No, we have it. Yeah, falling wedge right there. So we have a falling wedge. Yeah, that was an ugly line. It was. Let me just see if I can do 2x, something like that. It doesn't matter. Anyway, we have a falling wedge right here, right? So it fall down. This is a small forward chart falling wedge, and it break through. Did not retest yet. Normally I do like things to retest before they go up. There's a confirmation, but it not retested. Then we took this line and see how much it will match. So it will be around this area and just held it here. It did not go above this because again there's a lot of resistance at the moment. However, this is still a bullish pattern. If we want to see more bullish pattern, I can see something else unfolding for Matic. So what we want to see at the moment is something like this. Do you guys see this yellow line I made 2 weeks ago? It held pretty well, right? So it went up, down, retested it, went up. What we want to see right now, they actually fall down. Now I'm going to explain you why to the yellow line. So why can I paint? There we go. We need to see something like this, right? That will be awesome. And I'm going to explain you why this will be awesome. The reason why, guys, is because then we will get a head and shoulder formation. If you don't know what it is, well, let me explain you. So if you get this, let me just find the damn thing. There we go. If we do this, if it goes to the yellow line and holds the support right there, we will have something like a head and shoulder. So if you have any tools, if you're doing TA, just look, right, guys? So we will have a formation something like this, right? Up, down, more down, up, around this area. The yellow around this area. This is not the most beautiful chart you ever seen in your life, but it is a chart. All right, so then we can take from the neckline all the way down around here and place it around this area, right? So if this formation holds, right, then the TS is showing us at the moment falling wedge, still holding, it's going sideways, needs to go down, hold the support at the yellow area, which is 1.369, hold this, goes up, then we have a formation called a head and shoulder pattern, which is bullish pattern, guys. Now we have two confirmation, not confirmation, but bullish signals and bullish formation. We want Matic to hold these if this is going to be a valid TA. It will not be valid because at the moment we are seeing a decreasing volume. So if this keep continuing decreasing, yeah, the price action will get reflected back to the price action and it will go under the right shoulder. But if it holds this support, just keep an eye on this, guys. If it holds it and it goes above and we are forming this formation, yeah, guys, then we have a bullish momentum for Matic. As for the RSI and the forward chart, as you guys see, if you've been following my channel, we were in a downtrend after the breakdown from the rising wedge. As I mentioned in my previous video, then we were in a bearish momentum. Remember, if it's under the 50 area, it's bearish. Now it's over the 50 areas. So we wanted to go just a bit retracement. That will be great, like 6-7%. That will be great because then it can retest it, and this will be extreme good formation. the bullish formation. And also the RSI stocks are telling us it's going down. It will go most likely something like this, right? We want this, guys. We want, if it does this, that means this will also go down. This is really important to know. So yeah, we have two bullish signals at the moment. Also, guys, if we do like this, a line here, we see why this support held, right? Do you guys see this? If you've been following my channel, you know what this is. The last candlestick, which was closed right here, guys. Do you guys see? This was the support, right? So if you see, guys, multiple times the forward chart candlestick have hit it again here and held it like a champ. We went over a stronger support line, which is the yellow. The resistance area, guys, is around here. Do you guys see the VPVR? That will be the resistance. So we have to go make a higher high. So at the moment, if our TA holds, remember TA is only probability, no prediction. If you want this moon boys who believe you get rich overnight, there's other channels I can refer you to, but this channel only for probability. There's actually a high probability this will go as this TA says, unless Bitcoin says buy. Then we'll fall down. That just means a great buying opportunity. So it did not go through my buy opportunity yet, as I hoped for. So yeah, but it is what it is. Anyway, guys, if you are in Matic, this will be a great formation, great bullish indicator in the forward charge. So far it's looking good, guys. Just keep an eye on this resistance. Let me just show you clearly. This resistance is actually really important in the forward chart. If we do some kind of higher high, throw back to the uptrend, yeah, that will be a great bullish sign. Let me just see if I can do something like a resistance. Yeah, this resistance needs to get breakthrough. So if this formation, head and shoulder formation, holds breakthrough, this falling wedge formation work, and and we break through, this will be great. So we need something like this. Let me just show you. We need something like this where it goes up. It's not going straight up unless it have a lot of volume, which it have not at the moment. So if it goes like this, right, held support and goes something like this, that will be great, because it needs to break this and then hold this as some kind of support, or the yellow area. As you guys see, a lot of activity. So if we also zoom out, let me just zoom out. You guys can see just in a moment. Yeah. You guys can see, right there at these big areas, there's a big resistance, right? So at the moment, there's a resistance here. So we have to break through. We have to do a higher high. If this TA does not hold, it gets rejected. We need to look after our new support area. The new support area will be 1.3 at this area. The second one will be in my buy zone, where I also would buy, by the way. I'm not buying before it falls down here, because I'm not going to risk anything. Remember risk management, guys. If we first look at the daily chart also, guys, then we can see the volume is decreasing. Volume is important, as you guys know, I mentioned many times. More volumes, more price action, it will reflect exactly back at the price action. So keep an eye on that, guys. However, if you look at the RSI, it is perfectly. Is at the 50 area, still a bullish momentum. Cannot go below it. That means it is going to have a bearish momentum and go to a downfall. Just do yourself a favor and make this line and see for yourself. It works like a charm. As for the RSI stock, yeah, we are actually oversold right here. So we are oversold. That's actually a bullish sign also in the daily. We can still be here while it's making this head and shoulder formation, which will be great, and then do explosive to the upside, right? That is what we want. All right, guys. As for the MACD, yeah, it's showing us, it's the line is above, but it's showing us, if you just let me just do this instead, it will be a lot easier. MACD, the line is up, going down to cool off, and the momentum for the sellers, the bearish momentum for the sellers, they are losing, or the bears, they are losing momentum at the moment. The buyers are trying to get in the fight again. All right, this is what this chart shows us. So overall, guys, I'm actually still a strong believer that Matic, or Polygon now, sorry, will go over its all-time high. We have a lot of resistance. Still, we have a lot of fight before we do that. However, if this bull run continuing to go up, I believe strongly that we will be over $2, because this thing have been just flying around. Just be cautious, guys. with, as always, the Bitcoin price. At the moment, as I said, we are going sideways, as we hope we will do, and this tier get invalidated. But I'm also seeing some kind of distribution right now by the big players, so keep an eye on that. This falling wedge still valid. Keep an eye on that, guys. If this goes longer down, great for all coins. It goes up, bad for all coins. Yeah, total market cap made a throwback. This is perfect, as you guys see. The daily close above it. Now we need to retest it. Keep it right there, guys. That means new investors are trying to put money, liquidity into the market. Great for all coins. So yeah, overall, guys, I'm bullish. However, remember, this is probability. There's still a probability this will go down. Keep an eye on that. Alright, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And if you like the content, subscribe, comment, like the channel. And yeah, be safe, guys, and see ya next time.